Can artificial intelligence really help you make money? The answer is a resounding yes. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has the potential to be a game changer in the world of business. It's not a concept of the distant future, but a reality of the here and now. We're in the midst of an AI revolution, and businesses across the globe are benefiting from this transformative technology. AI has the power to reshape industries, making them more efficient, cost-effective, and customer-centric. From healthcare to retail, finance to manufacturing, AI is leaving its mark everywhere. It's streamlining operations, automating routine tasks, and opening up new possibilities. By taking over mundane tasks, AI frees up human resources, allowing them to focus on more strategic, creative, and value-adding activities. But what does this mean for revenue generation? Well, the value of AI is multifold. On one hand, it enhances productivity, leading to cost savings and higher profit margins. On the other, it improves customer experience, fostering loyalty and driving sales. Imagine a virtual assistant that can answer customer queries round the clock without any human intervention, or a predictive analysis tool that can forecast market trends, enabling businesses to stay ahead of the curve. These are just a few examples of how AI can help businesses increase their revenue. Moreover, AI is not just for big corporations with deep pockets. Thanks to advancements in technology, AI tools are becoming more accessible and affordable for small and medium enterprises as well. So whether you're a startup looking to scale or an established business aiming to innovate, AI can be your ally. To sum it up, AI is not a magic wand that will solve all your business problems overnight. But with the right strategy and implementation, it can certainly propel your business to new heights. It's a tool that, when used effectively, can unlock new revenue streams and give you a competitive edge. As you can see, AI is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can unlock new revenue streams. Now that we understand the potential of AI, you might be wondering how you can leverage it to make money. Here are some simple steps to get you started. The first step to making money with AI is identifying a problem that needs solving. This could be anything from predicting stock market trends to automating customer service. Remember, the key to a successful AI-driven business is to solve a real problem that people or businesses are currently facing. Once you've identified a problem, the next step is to develop or source an AI solution. There are two main approaches to this. The first is to build your own AI model. This can be a complex and time-consuming process, but it offers the advantage of creating a solution that's tailored to your specific needs. The second approach is to use pre-existing AI models or tools. This can be a quicker and easier route, especially if you're not an AI expert. You can find AI tools and models in various places, such as online marketplaces or AI development platforms. After you have your AI solution, the next step is implementation. This is where you put your AI solution to work. It could mean integrating the AI model into an existing system or product, or building a new product around it. This step often involves a lot of testing and tweaking to ensure the AI solution works as intended. Now, let's talk about monetizing your AI solution. There are several ways to do this. One way is to sell your AI product or service directly to customers. This could be in the form of an app, a software, or a physical product. Another way to monetize is through a subscription model, where customers pay a recurring fee to access your AI service. You could also offer your AI solution as a service to businesses where they pay you to use your AI to solve their problems. Apart from direct sales, there are other ways to generate revenue from your AI solution. For instance, you could use your AI to gather valuable data, which you can then sell or use to improve your product or service. You could also use your AI to create unique and engaging content, which can attract more users and increase your ad revenue. It's important to remember that making money with AI is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and a lot of patience. But with the right approach, and by following these steps, you can create a profitable, AI-driven business. Remember, the power of AI lies not just in its advanced technology, but in its ability to solve real-world problems. So, when you're thinking about how to make money with AI, always start with the problem you're trying to solve. By following these steps, you can create a profitable AI-driven business. Before we wrap up, there are a few key points to remember about making money with AI. Firstly, understanding the technology is paramount. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can transform industries. But remember, it's not magic. It's a technology that learns from data to make predictions or decisions. It's important to have at least a basic understanding of how it works to leverage its full potential. Secondly, the key to a successful AI venture is identifying a real problem that AI can solve. Artificial intelligence is not a solution in search of a problem, but a tool that can be used to solve existing problems more effectively. It can be tempting to jump on the AI bandwagon without a clear idea of where it can add value. But the most successful AI applications are those that address a genuine need. Next, create a user-friendly solution. It's not enough to have a powerful AI, it must also be accessible and easy to use. The best AI applications are those that seamlessly integrate into people's lives or workflows, making them more efficient or productive without requiring them to learn complex new systems. Additionally, keep in mind that building an AI solution is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process of improvement based on customer feedback. AI models can learn and improve over time, and so should your product or service. Continually refining your AI based on real-world feedback is crucial to staying relevant and competitive. Lastly, remember the importance of ethics in AI. As we entrust these systems with more decisions, we must ensure they're making fair and unbiased choices. Transparency, accountability, and respect for privacy are all crucial components of responsible AI. Remember, the success of your AI venture depends on your understanding of the technology, your ability to identify a problem that AI can solve, and your commitment to delivering a solution that meets your customers' needs. The future of AI in business is bright, and the opportunities are endless. As we look ahead, we see a landscape where artificial intelligence is not just an optional tool, but a necessity for businesses aiming to stay ahead of the curve. The influence of AI is growing, its tendrils reaching into every corner of business operations, from customer service to data analysis and even product development. The demand for AI solutions is skyrocketing, and companies are clamoring to implement these technologies to streamline their processes, enhance decision-making, and ultimately increase profits. And the beauty of it all? It's not limited to any single industry. Whether it's healthcare, finance, retail, or manufacturing, AI is proving to be a game changer across the board. So, are you ready to harness the power of AI to make money? The future is in your hands.